What you're about to learn might just save your life, or, at the very least, make you think twice before your next swim. These aren't just the world's most dangerous animals, they're also some of the most misunderstood. From venomous frogs to creatures hidden in plain sight, every one of them has a role in nature. So watch closely, or else this could be you. Number 10. Golden poison dart frog. Don't be fooled by its tiny size and bright, beautiful colors. The golden poison dart frog is one of the most toxic animals on Earth. Just one frog carries enough toxin to potentially kill several humans. Scientists believe the frog doesn't produce this toxin on its own, but gets it from its diet in the wild, likely from specific insects or plants found in Colombia's rainforests. Captive frogs, interestingly, are non-toxic. Number 9. Blue-Ringed Octopus. With its glowing blue rings and golf ball-sized body, the blue-ringed octopus might look harmless, but it's one of the most venomous marine animals known to science. It carries a neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin, which can cause paralysis and respiratory failure. What makes it especially dangerous is that there's no known antivenom. However, fatalities are extremely rare. Most encounters end without incident, especially when the animal is left undisturbed. Number 8. Inland Taipan. Often called the fiercest snake in the world, the Inland Taipan has the most toxic venom of any known snake. A single bite could theoretically kill a human in under an hour, but in reality, this snake is extremely reclusive and rarely encountered. It's native to the dry, remote regions of Central Australia, and scientists only described it formally in the 20th century. Despite its potency, it's not aggressive and prefers to avoid confrontation. Number 7. Stonefish. The stonefish is a master of camouflage, blending in almost perfectly with the ocean floor. It's considered the most venomous fish in the world, not because it hunts humans, but because its sharp dorsal spines can deliver a powerful venom when stepped on or handled. The venom causes intense pain and, in severe cases, can lead to tissue damage or even death if untreated. But experts point out that stonefish don't attack, they only react when threatened. Most injuries happen when someone accidentally steps on one in shallow water. Number 6. Cape buffalo. Sometimes called the Black Death, the Cape buffalo has a fearsome reputation in parts of Africa, mostly because of its unpredictable nature when threatened. Weighing up to 900 kilograms, nearly 2,000 pounds, it's a powerful grotzer with strong horns and a strong sense of herd loyalty. When injured or cornered, it can become highly defensive, and some reports suggest it's responsible for more deaths in Africa than some predators. However, this behavior is typically a response to feeling threatened, especially during hunting or territorial disputes. Number 5. Brazilian wandering spider. The Brazilian wandering spider, also known as the banana spider, has one of the most potent venoms of any spider species. It's called wandering because it roams the forest floor at night rather than building webs, which sometimes brings it into contact with humans. Its venom contains a powerful neurotoxin that can affect muscle control and breathing. In rare cases, untreated bites have been fatal, but thanks to medical treatment and antivenom, deaths are extremely uncommon today. In fact, many reported encounters end with no bite at all. This spider usually tries to flee rather than fight. Interestingly, researchers are studying its venom for potential medical uses, including treatments for pain and even erectile dysfunction. Number 4. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile and one of the most powerful predators on the planet. Adult males can grow over 6 meters, 20 feet long, and weigh more than 1,000 kilograms, 2,200 pounds. Its bite force is among the strongest of any animal, capable of crushing bone. While attacks on humans do occur, especially in areas where people live close to crocodile habitats, experts emphasize that these animals are not mindless killers. They're territorial, and most attacks happen when they feel provoked or when someone unknowingly enters their space. Saltwater crocodiles are apex predators. They help control populations of fish, birds, and other animals, keeping ecosystems in balance. Their presence in coastal wetlands, rivers, and estuaries signals a healthy, functioning ecosystem. Number 3. Pufferfish. With its cartoon-like eyes and slow, clumsy swim, the pufferfish might seem harmless, but it hides a powerful secret. Many species contain tetrodotoxin, a chemical compound that's up to 1,200 times more toxic than cyanide. There's no known antidote, and even a tiny dose can be fatal. Yet pufferfish aren't aggressive. Their defense strategy is simple. When threatened, they inflate their bodies to appear larger and rely on their toxicity to discourage predators. Number 2. Box jellyfish. Drifting silently through warm coastal waters, the box jellyfish is one of the ocean's most venomous creatures. Its nearly transparent body makes it difficult to see, but its tentacles can stretch up to 3 meters 10 feet, lined with thousands of stinging cells called nematocysts. A sting can cause excruciating pain, heart failure, and in rare cases, death, especially without immediate treatment. However, most stings are not fatal, and scientists emphasize that fatalities are uncommon when proper first aid is applied quickly. Number 1. Hippopotamus. The hippopotamus might look like a gentle giant lounging in rivers, yawning with wide jaws, but it's actually one of Africa's most formidable animals. Weighing up to 1,500 kilograms over 3,000 pounds, hippos are incredibly territorial and can run surprisingly fast on land, despite their size. According to wildlife researchers, hippos are responsible for more human fatalities in Africa than many predators, often due to surprise encounters near rivers or boats entering their space. But it's important to note, these animals aren't naturally aggressive toward humans. Most incidents happen when people unintentionally come too close to a protective mother or a threatened male.